Hello everyone. This is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome. In today's video, we're going to be looking at intermediate sentence correction 2. So, let's dive in. Directions. Correct the errors in the following sentences. One sentence does not have any errors. Example, what time we leaving? What time we leaving? Answer, what time are we leaving? What time are we leaving? You have 5 seconds to give your answer before I'm going to move on to the next item and give you the correct answer. If you think 5 seconds is not enough, you can pause the video. Number 1. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Answer? This is a correct sentence. No correction necessary. Let's go to the beach. Number 2. I gotta go to the mall tomorrow. I gotta go to the mall tomorrow. Answer? I have got to go to the mall tomorrow. I have got to go to the mall tomorrow. Number 3. You ever been to Vietnam? You ever been to Vietnam? Answer? Have you ever been to Vietnam? Have you ever been to Vietnam? Number 4. If you're not there, I wait for you. If you're not there, I wait for you. Answer? If you are not there, I will wait for you. If you are not there, I will wait for you. Number 5. I could come with you. I could come with you. Answer. Could I come with you? Could I come with you? Number 6. We drove to the beach last weekend. We drove to the beach last weekend. Answer. We drove to the beach last weekend. We drove to the beach last weekend. Number 7. You going where? You going where? Answer. Where are you going? Where are you going? Number 8. Wait, she yelled. Wait, she yelled. Answer. Wait, she yelled. No correction necessary. Wait, she yelled. No correction necessary. This is correct. Number 9. Andy made 2 cake yesterday. Andy made 2 cake yesterday. Answer. Andy made 2 cakes yesterday. Andy made 2 cakes yesterday. Number 10. We flied on an airplane this morning. We flied on an airplane this morning. Answer. We flew on an airplane this morning. We flew on an airplane this morning. Number 11. Arturo liked vanilla, but he liked chocolate more. Arturo liked vanilla, but he liked chocolate more. Answer. Arturo likes vanilla, but he likes chocolate more. Arturo likes vanilla, but he likes chocolate more. Number 12. Mimi's our best friend. Mimi's our best friend. Answer. Mimi's our best friend. Mimi's our best friend. Number 13. They're going downtown. They're going downtown. Answer? They're going downtown. They're going downtown. Number 14. We've flown over the mountains. We've flown over the mountains. Answer? We flew over the mountains. We flew over the mountains. Number 15. He make a sandwich right now. He make a sandwich right now. Answer? He is making a sandwich right now. He is making a sandwich right now. Number 16. Can't nobody understand the problem? Can't nobody understand the problem? Answer? No one can understand the problem. No one can understand the problem. Number 17. The party starts before the show is over. The party starts before the show is over. Answer? This sentence is correct. This sentence is correct. No correction necessary. The party starts before the show is over. And number 18. What time do the wedding starts? What time do the wedding starts? Answer? What time does the wedding start? What time does the wedding start? So, there you go guys. That's the end of this video about intermediate sentence correction 2. Thanks for watching.